Hi everyone, it's Graham. In this video, we're going to look at how to create an amazing feature image for our course. We're also going to do a little kind of 2-minute challenge and see if I can create a feature image using Canva in less than 2 minutes to show you how easy and simple we've tried to make that using some of the tools that are out there already. So first of all, obviously we've created our product. We started to create our product here in the product section. We're looking again at the statutory framework course, and you'll notice it already has a feature image. And you can see where the feature image is displayed. Click on the little eye in the bottom corner and you'll see that the feature image is the tile that displays here. It's also the tile that displays on the grid. So if I take a look here, these are the tiles that display on the grid. So no, that's not the image that pops. So it's really important that you get a good image. I really love the images that are on MyCPDGroup already. It does give us a kind of a nice, interesting feel. And we do get a lot of compliments from people saying how engaging the site is when they come to it initially and how well displayed the courses are. So the feature images are these images here. And we're going to look at how we can edit that image and adjust that so that it looks really eye-catching. So first of all, it tells you here what the perfect measurements are, the perfect dimension. So it's 1200 pixels by 628 pixels. Some people are going, what's it all about? We've made it a little bit easier. So if you go to Canva, and Canva is free, you can do this on a free plan. If you go to Canva, you can choose what's called your YouTube thumbnail, and you'll see the size there in pixels is 1280 by 720, which is slightly too big, but it's within the same dimension range, so it will be perfect for MyCPDGroup. Allow a little bit of space around the edge, and that'll be absolutely perfect. So don't put anything right on the edge, but now this is the perfect size. So if you go to YouTube thumbnail, you choose that, or search it in here if it's not there, YouTube thumbnail. So start typing YouTube thumbnail, not banner image or channel logo. Search for YouTube thumbnail. And then choose there, and there you go. There are some templates already made for you. Some of those might catch your eye straight away and go, yeah, that's perfect, I like that. And there you go. All of these, we couldn't build anything better than this that gives you pre-made templates. And some of these obviously might be on the pro plan. I've obviously got a pro plan for this, but there's plenty on the free plan as well. So there we are. That's how you get to it, and that's dimensions. And I'm going to have a go at trying to create one now for this course. So I'm going to try and build one within 2 minutes. I'm going to set myself a 2-minute challenge to create a course tile or feature image for my course, Understanding the New Statutory Framework. So I'm going to grab that title and I'm going to start my 2 minutes now. So I'm heading over to here and I'm having a look at the different courses and the different styles that are there. So I'm already I haven't pre-chosen one. So I'm using some of this time to actually look and explore as well. So there's probably too many to choose from, if anything. So I'm going to go for that one, nice and easy. And there's always different ones within there. Let's go for that one there. And I'm going to customize this template. And the first thing I want to do is I'm just going to paste, get rid of that, delete that, and delete that. Copy that into there, paste my text from earlier, Understanding the New Statutory Framework. I'm going to get rid of that because that's not my logo. Get rid of that, that's not my logo. Keep that watch now, that's lovely. And I've already uploaded my image of the Statutory Framework document, which I've got in here somewhere. It's dead easy to upload documents. We'll do a full tutorial on this probably in the future, but there we go. Drop that into there. It will automatically go into that. I'm perhaps lift it up a little bit so you can see that it's the new one. And there we go. You can resize that if you wanted to. The colours are nice. And there we go. I've made one in probably less than a minute, I think, probably in terms of actual focus time. You can change your fonts and all sorts of different things. Make that bold if it doesn't pop enough. You can add your logo in there if you've got your logo already. So I've got my logo in here. So if I search for logo, it should possibly come up. If I've saved it under logo, there we go. Some logos are coming up here, different ones. So there's my MyCPDGroup logo, and we can pop that in there. And there we go. Now we've already created our feature image, and it's good to go. Obviously, now I could do some editing and things like this, and removing backgrounds and all the different fancy things that you can do to kind of improve that. So remove that background, so it's more subtle. You can actually use the colours from your logo to go into the images and things like that. And we can do a full tutorial on how to kind of make these adaptations, because there are some funky tools. Like if I wanted to change that, I can pick the colour from my logo, so it matches absolutely perfectly, and I can match that to a different part of my logo if I wanted to, so match it from the purple, so you get that nice theming going on across the whole thing. But no, these are all optional additional extras, but yeah, as you can see, you can make a feature image very, very quickly. Once you've made that, obviously you download it, save it as a PNG, which we recommend as the size. Say that as a PNG. That's going to be downloading now to my computer. And it really is as simple as seeing where it opens on your computer. So I'll find it on my computer there in the folder. So I'll put it into a folder. It should open up our computer somewhere in a minute. There we go, show me where it is. So there it is in my computer, in my downloads section. If I go back to the course, go to feature image, get rid of that one, change it, click add image, and then no, it's not there at the moment. You can just drag and drop it into there. So go from there, drag that feature image, drop it into there, and then I'll obviously change it by selecting it. Wait for it to load, takes a minute. So select that, that's my new feature image. Go down and save it. And then let's view that feature image on my course and see if it displays nicely. I'll say I left a little bit of a gap around the edge. I didn't go right to the edge, which allows me to kind of, there we go, fits absolutely perfect. Even though the CPD group logo was quite high at the top, it still displays absolutely perfect on there. So yeah, that's obviously how to create a feature image relatively quickly. We'll look at banner image in another video, so please have a look at tutorials for the banner image. And if you have any questions, please do reach out to us through the Facebook group, the WhatsApp community, or the YouTube channel for more videos. Bye for now.